So now we want to make our puff sleeve. So for the puff sleeve, just grab one of these stitch here. So this is the stitch. Just grab this stitch. The stitch before the arm, the space of the arm, so this area. So this is among the sleeve. So this is what you want to work on. So grab the sleeve and into each of the stitches make two double crochet, chain 2. So to this first one, because it's a double crochet row, we are going to making 4 double crochet inside. 3, 4. That is because it's a double crochet row. So into this stitch, we won't be working into this corner stitch. So into this stitch, we'll be making two double crochet. As you can see, into the stitches, we'll be working 2 double crochet. So I'll continue with my two double crochet on this other side. 2 double crochet. So I repeat this 4 double crochet into this side too, just like the way I started with. So on this armhole, I will make only 1 double crochet here and slip stitch. So next is to make your chain 2 and work 1 double crochet round in each of the stitches. 1 double crochet without any increase. So 1 double crochet on each of the stitches. So when increasing, that is where we worked 2 double crochet. We won't be working any increase on this armhole part. Remember that we won't be working any increase on the armhole part. So next is to slip stitch and continue your work. Make chain 2. So into this row, I'll be making 2 double crochet on the very first stitch, 1 double crochet on the next 2 stitches, increase on the next stitch, 1 double crochet on the next 2 stitches, 2 double crochet in the next stitch, and 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So continue making your 1 double crochet till you get to the last stitch. Slip stitch and make your chain 2. So next is to make 3 double crochet together. So yarn over, insert your hook and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the next stitch, pull through and pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull through 2 and pull through everything. So we have reduced 3 double crochet at this point. So make 1 double crochet next. So make 3 double crochet together. 1, 2, 3, and pull everything together. Make 1 double crochet into the next stitch. So this is how we continue till we get to the last stitch. Remember, we are not making any increase or decrease on this armhole, on the stitch in the armhole. So this is what you should have now at this point. So on this armhole, we are not making any increase whatsoever. So I'll make 1 double crochet on the remaining stitch of the row. So slip stitch and continue work. Make chain 2. Now we are going to be making 2 double crochet together for this row. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull through 2 and pull through the remaining stitch. So this will be decreasing. So we are making 2 double crochet together. Hope you understand. So I'll meet you at the end of the row. So that brings us to the end of the row. Now slip stitch and make your chain 2. So you are going to be decreasing and making 1 double crochet the next 2 stitches. I will decrease on 2 stitches and I will make 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Slip stitch. Now we are going to be making 3 rows of half double crochet. 3 rows of half double crochet. So I'll be doing that off camera without any form of increase or decrease. I'll be making 3 rows of half double crochet. So I'll meet you at the end of the 3 rows. So I'll be making exactly what I did here on this second armhole too. Hope you understand. So I'll come back and show you what to do next. At this point, this is what you should have now. So I'll be repeating this same process on the second arm.